I think I'm really good at quickly building rapport with my learners and getting to know them as individuals, and then I can adapt my teaching according to their personalities and their backgrounds and the jobs that they work in.
Everything she does 100% and really works hard at it to make it effective for those learners.
Some of my proudest moments in my role are working with those learners that do need a little bit more pastoral support, and maybe they're putting up a lot of barriers, there's a lot of things going on, and we're able to get past that. We can work through that together, and then they achieve and they're so proud of themselves, and then that makes me equally proud of them.
We get lovely feedback from the learners, they love it. She's a bit bonkers and fun, and they absolutely love the way that she delivers all the workshops.
I like to learn, so I do a lot of training. I was like back-to-back qualifications. I'm working on my business admin qualification, but more recently I finished an introduction to counselling qualification, and I've been able to use loads of things that I've learned from that with my learners.
Oh, the result's fantastic because they just take in and kind of go along the journey with Louisa as she's teaching.
I couldn't do what I do and impact the learners the way I do if ACT didn't give me the support to do that and give me the trust and the responsibility to do that.
Louisa deserves the award because she is amazing. She makes everything she does fun, gets everybody involved, and everybody comes out of those sessions has a smile on their face.